shoppers, I want to share with you my favorite folding bow saw. You can see from the compact size that this is going to fit inside your pack sack. This is the AGAWA Boreal15 folding bow saw. Now, this is an extra, but I have here the sheath that you can also order to go along with it. It fits really nicely inside, and you can see it's got spaces on here to put your belt through, or use a carabiner to clip it to your belt. So let's get into what's so cool about this saw. This is the AGAWA 15. They come in multiple sizes, and they also come in multiple colors. So this one is the 15 in green, but you can also get it in yellow, and it comes in multiple sizes like the 21, which is the next step up from this one. Let's unfold this one and show you how it works. So unfolds really easy, just like that. Nice little fold there. Now there's a notch in your saw here, and you're just going to put that notch right into the space, and you are going to snap it, and it snaps it into place just like that for you. This is a nice compact little saw. You can fit 2 hands on it for your sawing action, and you have the compactness of the AGAWA 15, which gives you a full compatible bow saw. It is ergonomic. You've also got high clearance in here for large diameter cuts, so you're not going to be banging your hands on anything. And it is really efficient when you use it. It's light and packable. It only weighs about 15 ounces, or just under half of a kilogram, which is great. It opens in seconds, and it unfolds with just a snap into position, and then you've got a completely sturdy, I can't bend this or flex it at all. It's totally locked in. This is a versatile saw that you can do a lot with. Then you can fold it up and pack it in your pack sack, keep it in your car underneath your seat, and you've always got access to this handy little tool. If you are looking for something that is durable, made of anodized aluminum frame, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, stainless steel hardware here and here, and hardened coated saw blades, this AGAWA Boreal 15 is absolutely a family favorite in our house.